Namaste. Okay, let's look at wind, thunder, and rain. And we'll do 4 reps, level 1 stretching. So let's begin. Exhale and sink onto your feet. Adjust your breath. Inhale. Exhale. Gathering energy up the center. Pulling energy down through the body. Maximizing our breath. Calming and soothing our nervous system. Relax the breath. Begin hands in lotus position. I'm going to turn to my right. My left toe turns in. Now I'm going to turn my right toe out and open the arms out to the side. Arms are parallel, shoulder width apart, palms facing down. Arms are level with earth, parallel to the earth. I go down, and if this is as far as I can go today, that's great. I stop here, keeping my back straight. If I can, come all the way down. On the right side, right wrist crosses in front, keeping my back straight. Open up the palms, sweep and scoop to the sides. Come straight up. Clap the hands above the head, turn 180. Right toe turns in on the heel, pivoting around my center. Left toe turns out. Separate the hands and coming down. Once again, if halfway down as far as I go, keeping my back straight, that's great. If I can, I'll come all the way down. Now we're on the left side, left wrist crosses on top. And second repetition, going from left to right. It's one move. Up, clap, turn, left toe in, right toe out. Going onto the ball of the back foot, keeping the front foot flat. Coming down on the right, right wrist crosses in front. One repetition, starts on one side and goes to the other. Up, spiraling our energy, gathering yin energy and yang energy, circulating and balancing on the left side. Going back to the right again, starting linear movement, rotational movement, spiraling energy, balancing, and getting that deep double knee bend. Now with cleansing, turn to face the front, inhale up, and cleanse. And you deep. Turning inward, tuning inward, looking inside. Just feel that balance, that expansion. That energy nourishing the body, restoring, replenishing, rejuvenating, and regenerating. Full alignment, harmony. This connection within and this connection without. And breathe. Namaste.